How to use Voloco with headphones. 1. Clear vocals and 0 echo in Voloco. Use headphones. Here's how to set them up for the best results. For wired headphones, just plug them into your phone's jack or adapter. For Bluetooth, go to Settings and then tap Bluetooth. Select your device, then period. Now open the app and tap the plus button. Tap Quick Record to start a new recording. Check the top of your phone for the headphone or Bluetooth icon. This means Voloco will play the beat in your ear without leaking sound into the mic. Using headphones prevent background noise and make your autotune more cleaner. Now record your vocal over a beat. Your phone mic or an external mic if attached. Pick up your voice, and while the headphone keep the music out of the recording. Happy with the sound? Tap the continue, then save or publish your track anywhere. And that's it. With headphones, your Voloco recording sound way cleaner and more professional. If this helped you upgrade your sound, smash the like button, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more music hack. See you in the next one.